Hi Sam, welcome on board of the 747-8.
I'm not surprised to see a fully loaded 747.
Today we are flying to Amsterdam.
I'm the only passenger here. Cargo plane's the best. Captain serving me.
We have a gift for you from Azerbaijan.
You have your little bunk bed here. As you can see, the weather radar is full of colors.
Minimum 50, 40, 30.
How's that? The 747-8 just landed. This is Samir, my neighbor, but also my father in Azerbaijan here.
Welcome to Azerbaijan. This is 747-8. By the way, just landed from your home country of Hong Kong. And you know what? Excitement. Another one is landing in 3 minutes. Let's run for that.
Let's run.
Go. Sam, the one behind me is coming from Chicago. The previous one was from Hong Kong. And we as a Silkway are right in the middle, connecting the world. My video director Sam, have you ever seen Boeing 747 smiling? He's going to smile at you right now. Sam, welcome to the cargo center. And you are here for a treat. Look at this massive spider over there. This is the future of cargo aviation. Welcome to my treasure case. It's like Alibaba and 40 thieves, eh? Sim Sim, open.
Sim Sim, open.
Let's go in.
What is this? This is your treasure.
-18. It's bloody cold in here.
This is perfect for a guy from Dubai.
Yeah.
I'm cooling down. I'm cooling down. What kind of treasure you normally have? I think people have stolen everything here.
Well, frozen meat is first.
Ah.
Any frozen product, and then the ice cream. Here you go, my friend.
Hi Sam, welcome on board of the 747-8. I am the Captain Rasim. Today we are flying to Amsterdam. Let me show you the inside.
Wow, already fully loaded.
There is no space.
No space, my God. Every inch of space is cargo. How many tons of cargo we have, sir?
It's about approximately 120 tons.
120 tons?
Yes.
How much cargo a 747-8 can carry?
Oh, it's
Maximum?
Maximum about 104 tons. Yeah, to be exactly 137 tons.
I'm not surprised to see a fully loaded 747. In fact, there's so many 747 in the world right now, flying day and night, moving cargoes to the world.
The loadmaster operating the loading by this switch. By moving this switch, the cargo is just moving by the roll.
It's like rolling by itself, right?
Yes, it's rolling by itself to the dedicated position.
Sam, my son, I finally can get rid of you. I am sending you here to Amsterdam with our cargo. Please take care of our cargo and buzz off.
I can't wait to get rid of you as well, because I want to fly the 747. So long, my father. All right, doors closed. I'm the only passenger here, looking after all the cargo. And let's check out the upper deck now.
Today we are flying to Amsterdam. Flight time is 4 hours 55 minutes. We will cruise at initially flight level 320, which is, and then we will climb later 340 when we will be lighter. The speed will be at the cruise Mach 885. First officer Emrose.
What's our takeoff weight, sir?
Our takeoff weight almost 400 ton.
400 ton. Just a 4-hour flight to Europe.
Yeah,
That's heavy.
yes,
Heavy.
that's heavy.
Here I am. I'm the only passenger. Cargo plane's the best. 2 pilots flying, and I'm the only one around behind them.
Clear for takeoff runway 17 Silkway West 203. Thank you.
Just check.
V1.
Okay. Today our route goes through to the west of the Azerbaijan. Then we are crossing border to the Georgia. After Georgia, Turkey over the Black Sea, just lower than Ukraine border. And after Turkey, we will enter to the Bulgaria, then Romania. After Romania is Hungary, then Slovakia, Czech Republic, then Germany, and up north to the Holland.
So beautiful. The world is pretty at 30,000 feet. Sitting in the comfort upper deck, looking through the window.
Now on the right side we can see the Caucasus mountains, very beautiful. It's always snowy, and we are approaching to the border with the Georgia Republic. We are stabilized at the cruise, and now Captain will serve you the food.
Yeah, Captain serving me. This is an honor.
This is
What do we have? What do we have? Red and blue here.
Yes, just to know, the blue one is always fish, and the red one is a meat.
Makes sense.
Beef or salmon?
Beef, please.
Beef, okay, I'll serve you the beef. Well, we can put your medium steam at 20 minutes, it's a standard. If you like, we can make it low steam or dry heat. What do you like?
Oh, let's do a medium.
Okay, we'll stay at
Ah, you can cook the beef medium. Very nice.
This is here.
Captain serving me.
Look,
Yes. Wow. This is
the
big.
red caviar here.
Oh, huge.
We have a gift for you from Azerbaijan. This is a very famous thing.
Ooh, caviar.
Yeah, and it will join you to the first class service then.
Caviar on a cargo flight. First class cargo flight.
Yes, first class.
Excellent. The people are really nice in Azerbaijan. They love to feed you. They gave this is huge amount. This is 2 portion. They love to feed you. Thank you, Captain. Thank you so much.
Welcome and bon appetit.
Thank you. I think this is just as good as a first class meal. People are so generous. They really want to feed you and keep feeding you. And I have to keep losing weight now because the more cargo flight you fly, the bigger you become. Very very smooth. It tastes like a first class caviar. Excuse, I don't have a pearl spoon. I'm using a plastic fork.
Tea time.
Aha.
This is a famous tradition of Azerbaijan.
With a lemon, please.
Yes, that's exactly how we
Thank you, Captain.
Very welcome.
So why I love cargo flights? After a big meal, you have your little bunk bed here coming for a rest. And this is unique to a 747 thanks to the bubble on the upper deck with all the space. And now I'm gonna take a little nap. I'll see you after an hour. Hey, just woke up after an hour good sleep in this first class cabin. Feels like a train cabin, right? Now I'm gonna check up where are we flying right now.
Sam, actually, you have a very good life, you know. You ate a good meal and had a good sleep. Comparing with us, we are cargo pilots. We were flying continuously throughout the pandemic time, all these years. We were delivering cargo. And in the hotels, we were just going to the quarantine hotels where we were locked inside and we couldn't go in outside because it was prohibited. Now we are cleared for descent and we are starting descent flight level 140. And the weather, as you can see, at Amsterdam is not good. It's a bad weather there.
As you can see, the weather radar is full of colors. We are expecting bad weather into Amsterdam.
Tower, hello, Silkway West 203, ILS runway 27 and speed 165.
Hello, Silkway West 203, number 2.
Number 2, 203.
Silkway West 203, 27 clear to land, 270, 10 knots.
Clear to land runway 27, Silkway West 203.
Plus 100. Minimum. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
It's raining pretty hard here. I haven't had an exciting landing like this. About 1,000 feet we saw the runway, and then because we're very heavy, we have 120 tons of cargo in the belly, so we rolled all the way to the end and then left the last exit out of the runway.
Hello Sam, welcome to Amsterdam. Looks like we have a traffic jam here. As you can see today, weather is rainy and a low ceiling. Once I landed here on runway 18 right, with a strong crosswind and rainy weather, and that time the spotters caught me from the air till touchdown. I had a full deflection of the rudder for the landing, but today ATC was kind to us. The active runway was 27 with and we did a good landing. So welcome to Amsterdam and thanks for flying with Silkway West.
What a journey from Azerbaijan to rainy Amsterdam, just coming out. Well, Captain, thank you so much. I think what we don't see normally is the hard work cargo pilots put in. Really, there's a lot of hard work and there's a lot of loneliness alone flying the plane, no passenger, no one to talk to. But it's been a great ride with you. Beautiful day in Erbil, my first time in Iraq. Back to a 5-man Soviet-designed aircraft cockpit.